Yo YouTube man, what's going on? It's your boy Marcel. In today's video, I'm gonna be telling y'all how to keep your hair shiny and silky in the mornings. Let's get it. Alright man, this might be one of the easiest videos you can literally watch, right? So when you wake up in the morning, the first thing you wanna do is you wanna make sure you get in a hard, medium, and soft session. Also, don't forget the comb and plastic bag. So after you get them sessions in the morning time, after your hair is completely laid, hold on, let me show y'all the waves. I'm tripping. All right, man, y'all see the waves? Looking pretty decent, right? Okay, so after you get them sessions in, you want to go ahead and add you a oil. Is what I use. I use a Jamaican black castor oil. It's pretty thick, pretty heavy on the head. So how much you want to add to your hair? 2 layers. So the first layer, that first layer is right here, and then the second layer is all the way in the back. Let me show y'all. Add it on your crown, you could go just like that. Just lightly touch it. You can add it on the tip of your fingers first, right? And then just touch it around the crown area. So then you want to add one more. This last one is just to make sure you got enough oil in your hair. You want to do the same thing I just showed you. And I'm getting my hair cut on the 17th. Been woofing for $1. I could say like maybe 10. Let me see. I've been woofing for like 10, maybe 12 weeks. Yeah. But I've been doing a lot of wash and styles to maintain it. And also I've been kind of trimming my hair down, right? Kind of got that one from Nick Wavy. If you watch one of his videos, he teaches you how to maintain your woof so you don't have to cut it all the way down and start over, right? Maintenance stuff, you can just add it to your mustache. Or if you got a beard, your sides, right? And your eyebrows. Alright man, so that is the end of the video. It was a really simple video, very quick video, right? So again, before you leave, let me tell you one more time what you need to do. Please pay close attention. You want a hard brush, medium brush, soft brush. Also, don't forget the comb, plastic bag, and then you want to add one of your favorite oils to your hair. Alright man, thanks for clicking on the video. Appreciate the support I've been getting. I'm about to be at 100 subscribers. Hey man, I might do a giveaway. Gotta see about that. But hey man, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that thumbs up on my videos. And hey man, come back and see your kid. Hey, I'll catch y'all in the next one.